So here we have a zipper that will not zip up. There is a spot missing here, or the stopper missing here to actually load the zipper into. And then we have some of the teeth are just kind of smashed up. Maybe they got caught in a car door or something. They're smashed up and smoothed around. So what we need to do is we need to remove this whole zipper on this coat and then attach a new zipper. So basically you're just going to start with your seam ripper, and you're just going to take the original seam out for the zipper. So you're just going to get up under your thread there and pull it out, and it's going to be a little bit of a long and tedious job just removing the zipper, or all of the stitching for the zipper. And I'll just show you here. So I got a couple stitches. So basically here's where you take the zipper out. So I'm just going to go ahead and seam rip all of this thread all the way up both sides of the coat to get this zipper off of here. And it looks like it might be sewn in on the back side also. It is. Of course, at the top and the bottom it's a little bit tougher because it's been sewn in so well there. Okay, so I've got the bottom of it loose here, and basically you're gonna go back and you're gonna pull all the threads out so you don't have any of your loose threads hanging. But basically this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna take the old zipper out all the way up on this side and then all the way on the other side of the jacket, and then we can go ahead and begin on putting the new zipper in.